Most barbers overcomplicate taper fades. Let me show you how you can go from this to this in a few short minutes. For this client in particular, he's got a grown out buzz cut and only wants the sides cleaned up. So I'll show you how I'd like to debulk everything, and he wants everything else kind of untouched, so I'll just clean up the perimeter using our trimmers. What I just did in that video was use a 3 open and then 3 close to debulk everything completely, and then I'm going in with my 1.5 all the way open and then all the way closed, keeping that same silhouette the whole time. Next, I'll use my trimmers to set in the skin line and create my shape. I'm bursting it around the center of the head whilst keeping the C-cup and the front of the ear super sharp. These small details is what makes the haircut stand out and makes the haircut look really artistic. Once we've folded everything out and we've got a nice clean canvas, I'll grab my zero guard all the way open and work a couple centimeters above the skin line we just did, making sure it's nice and clean. This will be the starting point of our fade. Again, I can't stress enough, making sure we keep the same silhouette this whole time, every guard that we're putting on the head. The next guard we want to grab is our number 1, and we want to open it up all the way and just go above what we just did. And once we've smoothed everything out and gone with our number 1 all the way open, what we're going to do is close our 1 all the way and just really get in there and make sure that everything is as faded as we can make it. A little detail I like to do is grab our 0.5 as well, close it all the way, and just use the corner of the blade if we can, and remove any dark spots that we can see throughout the fade. Once that's complete, we're going to take our guard off, close our clipper all the way, and really just flick out that bottom line. This is where we should be seeing the fade come to a finish and everything start to look really blurry. As you can see, I'm just using the corner of the blade and making sure that there's no dark spots whatsoever. Now I'm just lining everything up and taking my time whilst doing this. This is one of the most important parts of the haircut and really makes everything stand out. I've kept the front and the back of the taper nice and dark, which gives it a unique look and helps everything stand out. Now that I'm finished my liner, I'm just doing my final checks of the haircut, making sure everything's completely balanced. A lot of barbers rush this part, but these few last minutes is what completely separates some good barbers from some exceptional barbers. Lining up the haircut to me is absolutely the most crucial part and the part I enjoy the most of the whole haircut. It's everything that we've built throughout the whole process of keeping things dark and making sure things are blended, and just with the trimmer's touch we bring everything together and we really bring the haircut from a mediocre one to an exceptional one. If you guys have any tips or tricks that you want to drop in the comment section below, or you want to know anything about this haircut, please let me know. I hope you guys have enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you have any other recommendations, please ask. Thank you.